how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us Squid Game version. It's going to be a little bit different than the other one. But yeah, this one kind of have a cute little heart as the symbol. And that is it. So let's get started, okay, on this really simple drawing session. If you like Squid Game, if you like learning how to draw, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification for more. So let's do this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to curve along here for kind of the kind of mask area slash visor area. Curve along here. I'm going to pull a line around the corner, and then underneath I'm going to pull a line underneath. All right, what I'm going to do immediately is I'm going to draw that heart right there. I want to make like a cute version, and then a heart over here. Now I'm gonna do it again, draw like a smaller heart essentially, leaving a very thick line around there, line around here, and I'm gonna fill it in. And I'm going to fill in this outside section as well. Just going to fill in this in here. And it's relatively kind of simple so far. Hopefully you're finding it. Definitely hit the like if you like the Among Us or Squid Game tutorials. It's really going to let me know what to do more of on the channel. Alrighty. Cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and curve a line around here for the hoodie. And I'm going to curve over here, continue to curve for the top of the head. Going to give a little bit of a tail to the hoodie, like it's actually a hoodie on his head. And then I'm going to pull a line straight down. Go to the front here. Pull a line straight down. All right, doing good. And we're going to draw the teddy bear feet that the Among Us characters have. So big, wide, up. Big, wide, up. I'm going to pull a line here. Go around this area, line out. Below here, line out. Curve over here. All right. Doing good so far. And I'm going to draw that zipper they have at the front. So that's going to be with a straight line right there. I'm not even going to go all the way down. I don't think they went all the way down, did they? And I'm going to draw a line over here for kind of the bottom of that hazmat suit. I think that's like a hazmat suit, right? Kind of thing. Right on. And what I'm going to do next here is I'm actually going to draw like a thicker line around the entire border. The reason I want to do that is it's going to create this like sticker effect, I'm going to call it. And that's kind of where you put in this huge thick line around anything, just the outer side, like the outer like the complete outer section, and that's going to give it an effect like it's a sticker. Like so. Like that. It's going to give it that sticker look. So let me talk about extras, right? What are some extra things you could do to make this a little like cuter and or funner to look at? What can you do? You can draw little hearts, maybe like he's showing an emotion. So maybe over here we could draw like a little heart like that. You could make it go up a little bit more, like a smaller little heart here. All right, and that's gonna give it a little of that extra oomph as far as that kind of like, oh, shows a little bit more about their character because he's doing something, right? He's completely doing something. And if you want to add in little extras as well, you can throw it with a very thin line, uh, very very thin line, right? A line over here, line over here. It's gonna show the seams of the outfit, and that has to be a thin, much thinner line than the other stuff. So don't put as much weight on the marker itself. And it's just kind of doing that. I'm gonna put one over here, even though I don't, because they don't really have backpacks, right? Or do they? They have like artillery stuff on, I think, but it's not quite the exact same thing. But when you do that, these thin lines are gonna add detail, and I'll throw a thinner one over here as well. And it's just always gonna add, like I said, you want to add character, detail, and you want to make sure to make it fun to watch. Fun. That's kind of the biggest thing you want. So I hope that helped you out. That's the whole lesson. Before I do, don't forget to. Oh, by the way, if you did get some value out of this video, and I hope you did, share the video. That's the biggest payback you can give us. Basically, if you share it anywhere, like there's a share button that takes 2 seconds on YouTube. There's share, and it'll automatically share it to Twitter or whatever you're logged into. It'll be Pinterest or something like that. You just pick it, and it takes 2 seconds. And what it does is it helps the algorithm to the channel, so that really, really just kind of helps the channel out in general. Thank you so much. I will talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon. Okay? So definitely hit me up in the future, and we'll do a lot of cool stuff. Alrighty, see you later. Oh, forgot to say, when you're drawing, make sure to keep it easy.